How did the FBI access Nancy Guthrie's doorbell video if she didn't have a subscription? We found out.
Not entirely unbelievable that they were able to recover data. Is it a privacy concern? It possibly could be.
UMBC cybersecurity expert Dr. Richard Forno says the video doesn't just appear on your phone. It also often goes to a server, referred to as the back-end data. He says even if you don't have a subscription, the data often goes there to be stored and processed.
Oh, I definitely feel safer. I mean, like I have eyes on my porch.
A Northeast Baltimore neighborhood has 300 of these Ring doorbells on row homes here as part of a sweeping safety initiative. They say the program is a worthwhile investment that's helped improve safety and communication with police.
I get a number of videos captured by the Ring doorbell cameras that we share with BPD.
Dr. Forno agrees they're a game changer for helping solve crimes. His advice is just be aware of what yours is capturing and weigh those privacy concerns. You can find the full story on the WBAL TV 11 News app.